mean, it's tough. You know, that guy gets beat up more than anybody in the NBA. And if he retaliates, he gets I mean, he got a technical foul tonight for walking up to someone who elbowed him in the face. So, you know, he's in a tough situation. You know, they did what they could to get our best player out the game, and they succeeded at it. You know, it is what it is.
Is this a common practice in the NBA? Do teams actively try to do this?
This is the first time I've seen it. You know, I mean, usually, I mean, if you're going to try to beat someone, you try to beat them straight up. You know, you don't try to do antics and tactics and, you know, stuff to get people out of the game. You know, you just want to go out there and play. So, you know, that's what they did tonight. You know, I think Doc made a good point where we got to be above that and learn from it and try to move on.
How hard will it be to play above that, though, when you guys play again? I mean, there's already some friction there.
It's tough, you know, because, you know, I think our team's watched under a microscope. You know, what we do is magnified, and the little things we do are blown out of proportion. You know, so like I said, we have to rise above that. We can't let that be in our heads. We just got to continue to play, and, you know, hopefully the situation will work itself out.